Welcome to Compare to Win. The best catch box is probably one of the most versatile and innovative ways to capture and share content, especially in live event settings or for interactive audience engagement, offering a unique blend of physical interaction and digital connectivity that can elevate any presentation or gathering into a more dynamic and memorable experience for everyone involved. Number 5. Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box Freshwater Bass Lures Fishing Kit. Discover the ultimate freshwater bass fishing kit designed to elevate your angling game. Each box is packed with high-quality lures and essential tackle. Inside every box, you'll find exclusive and limited edition fishing products specifically chosen for freshwater bass. Get ready to reel in more fish with these premium selections. Learn new fishing techniques with expert tips and instructions included in every kit. We'll help you become a more effective angler, no matter your skill level. We've been perfecting the art of the tackle box since 2012. Open this kit and start exploring new lures and methods to enhance your fishing experience. Looking for a last-minute gift? This fishing kit is an excellent choice for any angler in your life. Give the gift of a better fishing experience. Crafted with 100% pine and made with pride in the USA, this kit offers unparalleled quality. Experience the difference that premium materials and expert curation make. What we like. This kit is packed with exclusive lures specifically for bass fishing. You'll get a great variety of high-quality items and expert advice to improve your technique. If you're serious about catching largemouth and smallmouth bass, this is the box for you. What people say. The catch box is a fun and engaging way to get people interacting in a group setting. It's a soft, lightweight cube that's safe to throw around, making it perfect for icebreakers and team-building activities. The unique design allows for easy gripping and tossing, ensuring everyone can participate regardless of age or physical ability. Number 4. Cedar Mill Fine Firearms TSA Approved Hard Gun Case. Travel with peace of mind. This case is TSA approved, ensuring your firearm is secure and compliant for airline transport. Constructed from reinforced polypropylene, it's crush-resistant and impact-tested. This ensures your handgun stays safe from damage, even during rough travel. Featuring a secure dual-latch system with reinforced locking lugs, it offers maximum security. It's designed for airline compliance, making firearm transport worry-free. With ample space, it fits most compact and full-size handguns, including 9mm pistols and revolvers. It's ideal for firearms with barrels under 6 inches. Its robust polymer shell provides protection against water, dust, and UV rays. Keep your firearm and accessories safe from the elements. Includes customizable pick-and-pluck foam to create a perfect, snug fit for your specific firearm. It also features a stackable design for convenient storage. This case is built for longevity and backed by lifetime support. Plus, it comes with free high-quality shooting earplugs for your convenience. What we like. This case offers unparalleled protection for your firearm during travel. Its TSA approval and crush-proof design ensure your weapon is safe and compliant. If you frequently travel by air or need robust protection for your handgun, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The catch box is a great way to engage your audience during presentations. It's easy to throw and catch, and the foam construction makes it safe for everyone. I love how the catch box can be used for various activities, from icebreakers to review games. It adds a fun and interactive element to any event. The durable material of the catch box ensures it can withstand frequent use. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to liven up their meetings or classes. Number 3. Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box Freshwater Catch-All Fishing Kit. Introducing the ultimate fishing kit designed for the serious angler. It's packed with everything you need to target a variety of freshwater species. Inside each box, you'll find 8 to 9 high-quality lures. These include hard baits, jigs, spinnerbaits, soft plastics, and terminal tackle, all chosen for maximum effectiveness. Get your hands on exclusive and limited edition fishing products specifically curated for freshwater bass, panfish, and catfish. You won't find these anywhere else. Enhance your angling skills with expert tips, tricks, and instructions. Learn new techniques that will help you catch more fish and become a better angler. Since 2012, we've perfected the art of packing the best fish-attracting lures. Open this kit and start discovering new gear and techniques to elevate your fishing game. Looking for a last-minute gift? This fishing kit is a fantastic present for any angler in your life. Give the gift of a more successful fishing trip. What we like. This box is designed to help you catch a wider range of freshwater fish. It includes lures for bass, panfish, and catfish, along with expert content to expand your skills. If you enjoy diverse freshwater fishing and want to try new techniques, this multi-species kit is perfect. What people say. The catch box is a fun and engaging way to get people to participate in a presentation or event. It's easy to throw and catch, and the built-in microphone makes it simple to record audio or trigger actions. The design of the catch box is unique and eye-catching. It's made of soft foam, so it's safe to throw around, and it comes in a variety of colors to match any event theme. The functionality of the catch box is impressive. It can be used for a variety of purposes, such as Q&A sessions, icebreakers, or even as a prop for photos. The ability to customize the audio triggers adds another layer of interactivity. Number 2. Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box Inshore Saltwater Fishing Kit. Are you ready to experience the thrill of inshore saltwater fishing? This kit is designed to help you reel in the big ones. Specifically curated for anglers targeting powerful redfish and elusive striped bass. Get ready for an exciting battle on the water. This versatile box is also perfect for pursuing snook and speckled trout. Expand your fishing adventures with confidence. Don't forget the flounder. This kit provides the essential lures and gear to make your flounder fishing trip successful. From popular inshore species to a variety of challenging game fish, this kit has everything you need for a memorable day on the water. Stop dreaming about your next trophy catch and start making it a reality. This is your ultimate companion for inshore saltwater adventures. What we like. This kit is specifically curated for inshore saltwater anglers. It features lures designed for popular species like redfish and snook. If you're targeting these specific saltwater game fish, this box offers specialized gear and exclusive products to enhance your success. What people say. The catch box is a great way to engage your audience during presentations. It's easy to throw and catch, and the soft foam material makes it safe for everyone. I love how the catch box can be used for a variety of activities, from icebreakers to review games. It's a versatile tool that can liven up any event. The catch box is well made and durable. It has held up to repeated use without any signs of wear and tear. Number 1. Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box Pro Bass Fishing Kit. Introducing the Mystery Tackle Box Pro, your ultimate bass fishing companion. Get ready to elevate your angling game with expertly curated gear. Inside each box, you'll find 6 to 7 high-quality items. This includes everything from lifelike hard baits and jigs to essential terminal tackle. Discover exclusive and limited edition products specifically designed for freshwater bass fishing. These are lures you won't find anywhere else. Learn new fishing techniques with included tips and instructions. Our expert content is designed to help you catch more fish every time. Since 2012, we've been perfecting the art of the tackle box. Open this kit and start discovering new lures and techniques to enhance your skills. Looking for a last-minute gift? This fishing kit is the ideal present for any angler in your life. Surprise them with the gift of better fishing. What we like. This is a pro-level kit focused on freshwater bass fishing. It contains a selection of high-quality lures chosen for their effectiveness. If you're an experienced angler looking for premium bass lures and want to refine your strategy, this Pro Box is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The catch box is a great way to engage your audience during presentations. It's easy to throw and catch, and the foam material makes it safe for everyone. I love how the catch box can be used for various activities, from icebreakers to review games. It adds a fun and interactive element to any event. The durable construction of the catch box ensures it can withstand frequent use. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to liven up their meetings or workshops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.